We're going to fix a ball bearing that's completely locked up. Sometimes it's easier to unseize them and fix them than try to find one online and buy it. This is a sealed bearing, so we'll take a knife and just pry up on the sealed portion of the bearing. Lift up the plastic. In here we can see how dirty this bearing is. To clean everything up, we'll drop it in something like mineral spirits. We'll give it a good shake. Now that looks a lot cleaner. Now when I try to turn it, it slightly turns. We'll work it back and forth until it spins. We'll throw it into the mineral spirits again. Now it's really starting to move. It moves real nice. Clean it out with some rubbing alcohol and pack it with some high temperature grease. It's got all the old grease out of it. You don't want to mix greases. Bad things can happen. Put the bearing in the center of your hand, in your palm, and then just take some grease and pack it in really good. Pack in as much as you can. We'll recap the bearing. Clean up all the grease on the outside of the bearing. Now obviously, if the bearing was damaged, you wouldn't be able to repair it like this. Now that seized bearing feels like new, there's no rattle, and it was easier than having to find and buy a new one.